Hello guys. For a bicycle key for you. See. She can get and the other. Hi, Nigo. I'm vlogging while going here. Look. Ha? Dennis, alam mo si Mika Mot?
Oo.
Umorder ako. Dalawa.
Kay Adam.
Hello. Look, I'm vlogging. When I was in Nonay's house, I just go here while vlogging.
Hoy, nagpaalam ka ba?
Hindi. Tapos na ako kumain. Hula ko. Giniling ulam niya.
Alam mo, nakita ko eh.
Hindi ah. Mukhang ramen eh.
Why did you lose me?
Okay guys. Ang init. Kaya nga ako nagpunta dito. Kala ko nakabukas aircon eh. Magpunta ka dun. Parang ano dun. Sobrang init dun. Pawis ka agad. Kakagising mo parang. Hindi ko nga naramdaman yung aircon kahit iis eh. Kasi nagising ako na nakapatay na aircon. Sarap talaga ng kinain ko kanina. Ay, kagabi dito. Meron pa. Naubos niyo na yung potato chips. Yung potato chip.
Oo. Hindi naman ako kumain. Sila.
Ano yung kinain mo? Ice cream lang? Bakit ayaw mo ng iba? Nagpunta ba ako dito nun? Ngayon, yung kumain ba tayo ng ice cream? Ano lang din yan? Kung kailan nagkakaka, tapos binigyan mo ako.
Oo.
Ah.
Those lovely promises.
Wala dito si Kuya Sky?
Napunta sa namin siya.
Alis daw sila. Si Kuya Sky at Justin.
Alam ko. Punta sila kay Tito Sibi.
Tuturuan daw mag-gitara.
Alam ko. Dapat tayo napad ko.
Ayan yung kuya ko guys. Oh. Yan lang. Ayun yung pinsan ko. Ito kuya ko.
Libre kang buwan sa sabon niya.
Ito pinsan ko. Ito kapatid ko. Ito pinsan ko. Ito pinsan ko. Bahay nila to. Eto, tumira lang dito. Dapat dun yan sa amin. Gusto niya dito dahil wala daw magbabantay sa kanila. Papunta sila ng Tagaytay, tapos magsiswimming sila, guys.
Dapat ito yung anin namin, ah. Anin namin dito sa Tagaytay.
Ting, ting. Yan daw yung titirahan nila, guys. So, 3 days sila mawawala. Bawal daw sila.
Oo nga, hanggang 14-16 nga tayo.
14, 16? I can play a new old Minecraft. Look. Can I join you? You can't. Why? Is that the version 2? Wait, let me see.
That's not version 2. That's the normal Minecraft. I have a I ran out the Minecraft.
No, that's version 2.
No.
Yes.
How? Is that version
Yes, look. Look.
You're
This is the version. See, it's version 2.
not version 2.
I want to join you.
Yes, you can. You can join me.
Can I join you on Minecraft?
Wait, I'm still not playing.
Yo.
We're gonna play Minecraft, guys.
Yay! Thank you so much, Adam.
Look,
You're
look,
my boy.
look at Nico. Look, see, that's, look, just look, look, just look, look.
Wala pa kayo.
See, look, bro. It's like that too. It's like that too.
I love you so much. You're my best brother.
Best brother? I'm just cousin.
Let's go for
I love Kaya Adam.
Okay, let's play this one in my world. Let's play this world. Look, Gaya. Look.
Not version 2.
Yes, it's it. It's it.
Wait! I also have those trees. I also have those trees. Are you good?
Ako na.
Oh!
What?
The house is using an older version of Minecraft.
Mag-bird ka kasi. Ay,
Oh!
bakit?
I have the older version one. I have the old version. And you have the new version.
Can you have the version 2, Adam?
See, look. Version 21. Version 121. But mine is... Look at mine. I think it's
But I
just
just
putting here
cheated
20.
Minecraft by last money.
See? Look, there's only 20. Wait, I just...
have an old version.
Yes. And I know how to get that new version. You just need to download one app and remember when I give you some real Minecraft dislike?
This is the new version. The new characters.
Yes, I have the older version. You need to download just... Oh, there. There we go. Okay. Ngayon guys, older version pala yung meron ako. Skip. There. Wait. You're just gonna see. Where's your Minecraft?
Bakit Tagalog? English ako sa YouTube. English ako sa YouTube.
There. Wait. Just wait. Don't click anything yet. Oh, there. Ito na pala yung share it ko. Oh, this is gonna be hard.
Ang babysitter na rules.
Delete it?
No, you're not. I'm not gonna delete it. You're just gonna share me some. But you still have your Minecraft. Oh, there. I love Adam. There we go. It's almost. Minute up in nation. Excuse me. Oh, Gaya. I think it's going. There. Ah, I'm getting it.
Can I change the hat? Thanks. Oh. Should I change hats?
That's what I hear. Yes, I'm getting it. What?
Should I change hats?
Yes, Lord. Yes. No. Okay, don't go yet. Okay, just wait. Let's put this on the table and just wait.
Hats?
Yes, Lord. Yes. Okay, don't. Okay, let's play. Hey, Niga, let's do like this. Where's the other two? Okay, let's dance for Gaya.